Hello everyone. If you want download your Google Sheets, first step, open your Google Sheets and on the top click on File, and from download section you can download your sheets as a Microsoft Excel, PDF, web page and other formats. Based on your needs, choose one of them. For example, I want to download my Google Sheets as PDF. Click on it. Now click on Export. Wait. After your file download, open it. As you see, our Google Sheets was downloaded as a PDF. You can share this PDF to social media or any user you want. I hope this video was useful for you. For more video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.